In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram cache. Now, for iPhones, there's two ways to do it. It's very easy to do. One is in Instagram and one is outside of Instagram. So go ahead into Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. And then from here, go to the top three bars at the top right corner here. So go ahead and scroll down until you see where it says how you use Instagram and go to your activity. And then from here, you can just scroll down until you see where it says recent searches. So you can go ahead and clear all of these out. Go ahead and clear all. You can also, if you really want to, you can go into your recently deleted and delete any posts that are in here as well. And that is how you would do it with your Instagram. Really just getting rid of the browsing data as well in Instagram. But if you really want to clear out the cache, what we can do is actually come out of Instagram. Go to your settings. So once we're here in our settings, go ahead to your general and go ahead to your iPhone storage. So once you're in your iPhone storage, go ahead and find your Instagram app. Here we go here. As you see here, go ahead and click that. And what you can do here is actually offload the app. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to delete the app. It'll reinstall it. And we can hit the reinstall app. And what that's going to do is just clear a lot of the data in the background of Instagram, basically resetting the app so that you can use it a lot more freely. It runs a lot smoother and it doesn't have a lot of data slowing it down. So once that is done, you can go back into Instagram and it'll work a lot smoother, a lot easier. And that is how you would go about clearing the cache in your Instagram if that's something that you really needed to do. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.